is so weird. I forgot how to do this.
Okay.
Hi guys, it's Sophie Skater, and today I'm gonna be, Today I'm gonna be telling you my secrets, my tips, and all my tricks on, YouTube, I guess, and what I've done in a year, because guess what? It's my birthday, kind of, not really. It's my YouTube birthday. It's Sophie Skater, because I have been on YouTube for a year. Alright, here's some fast tips. If you want to start a channel, or like you just want to know what the top YouTubers do. First off, thing is, your bottom half doesn't matter. If you don't know what I mean so pants or no pants in every video. Second is, you don't even need a tripod. I did not have a tripod until my last like 3 months of YouTube. Otherwise, I used a chair, a book, a DVD player, and then the camera on top. And that worked well enough for me. I mean, I got to where I am now. And now I have a tripod, and I feel like a already better YouTuber. I feel like I'm way up there now. Third tip, I think it's the third tip. People love thrifting videos. Oh, people also like Jeeps, people also like driving videos, people also like vlogs. So that's what my channel is. That's what I am just gonna be doing. That's what I've been doing. What I learned myself is I started off planning all my videos. I'm like, I gotta do this week, gotta film it this day, and edit it, and then upload it that day. I did that for a while in the beginning periods, and then I stopped after that, and it's kind of bad because like I'll be like chilling with my friends, and I'm like, oh shit, or that's another tip later, but I'll be like, oh man, I haven't posted in so long, and I feel bad. I like want to post, I want to make content, but I just forget. And it's good to plan, but it's not good to plan every single detail. I think you gotta let it be free. When you are feeling up for it, do it like I am right now, because otherwise it's just really forced. Like beginning stages of my YouTube channel are very forced, and it's not the best. I really want to remove some of those videos, but like that's my roots, that's where I came from. The tip I was just talking about, I'm just gonna throw all these tips at you like boom boom boom. Swearing won't make you money. So that's kind of the thing. I swear in like all my videos. And it's bad because it's really gotten me loose around my family and like public. I need to watch my mouth. So if I start watching it on my channel, but if I don't, then I'm just turning into a bad person. Another thing I learned in this year is that people will like discover or like find out or like watch your videos, but I have no clue. So they'll come up to me and they'll be like, oh my god, like I love you. I'm like, who are you? But it's funny. It's like people I barely know, and then they'll be like watching my videos, and then we're closer, we're better friends because of it. I think that's kind of cool, but it's also kind of like, in the beginning I was like, whoa, like this is so weird, like I feel uncomfortable. But now it's kind of like, that's so cool, like people are amazing. So people will find your channel, this channel, my channel, and we'll become friends over it. So that's great. Everything. Also, in 1 year I hit 10,000 subscribers. Actually, it hit 11K. Let's check what it is right now. My very first video I uploaded on September 11th. So this video is going to be going up before I hit my 1 year, but that's great. It's good. I need a video for this week. Has anyone listened to that new Black Bear song? Because it's stuck in my head. It's called The One. It's good. My contact is coming out of my eye. Okay, we got it. Just get on. And then my subscriber count at this very moment is 11,482. So I'm really proud of that. I think that's super cool, and I want to keep growing from there. I want to get more subscribers. So subscribe right now if you haven't, and tell your friends. But yeah, this video is going by so fast because I didn't plan it, even though one of my tips was planned, but like not too much. I have no clue. I'm running off things on my head right now. I just thought this would be a good video to celebrate 1 year on YouTube, all the things I've learned, and share them. See if anyone else finds this helpful or useful. I don't know. This could be like tips for small YouTubers or like starting a channel or something, but I honestly think you should do more research than this. I've learned that I'm still not completely comfortable in front of the camera. I feel a little weird It's better when I'm vlogging because then that's just the real me and I just have a camera like documenting it. But like when I'm sitting in front of a camera and I have to talk to it, it's kind of intimidating. So I'm like, whoa, that was, see, exactly. The school year is starting up, so I gotta stay on my YouTube game and I need you guys to help me with that. So comment video ideas, as I say, and I'll try and do them. I have a whole list. I'll tell you some of the things I really want to do on my list. I just need the motivation to do, because they're great video ideas, so just tell me which one you want to see like right away. Ooh, so I want to get one of those eyelash perm kits and like try it, and then I can like video it with like one of my friends. We'll see how good they work and like have a really successful turnout, or if we burn our eyelashes off, you know? Or we could do the typical baristas choose my drinks for a week, because all of my friends are like, you need to do that one, and I was like, okay, like I'll do it, like it's content. If you want to see that one too, if you don't think it's too basic, it's really basic, but I mean, I love coffee. But if you think about it, they could give you something that's not coffee. Then what do you do? Oh yeah, on the first day of senior year, I think I'm gonna vlog it. It's not gonna be like a lit vlog, it's just gonna be like me in every class, like, hey, you know, it's just, I don't know, I think I'm gonna do it. Because school vlogs get views. I filmed a workout routine like 1,000 years ago. I am like still in the process of editing it because I don't really like it. Because I don't know how I'm supposed to do it. Like, it's so weird because like the whole video is quiet because I'm like working out. I don't know if I'll post that one, but if you want to see it, it's already filmed. I just need to edit it, so let me know. Anyways, I'm just kind of rambling. This video is just kind of me talking. It's just kind of like a video of me. Yeah, it's just a video of me. But I hope you liked the video. If you did, comment, like, subscribe, whatever. I don't care. I feel like I should say something more. Thank you so much for 10K, 11K subscribers. Let's keep building. Let's do it. Let's do more. And happy birthday to me and us.